What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, XOXO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello, welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video is a wig review, and this wig is from Sensationnel, and this is from the Cloud 9 collection. This is Celeste. It is a lace frontal unit, like the soft lace you gotta tack down and everything. So I'm gonna quickly show y'all how I did that, and then get into reviewing for you guys so you can know my thoughts on this unit. So let's get into it.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
First, this is a very transparent cap. I had to do the bald cap method with it, so it's not one you can kind of get away with just using a regular cap and covering it. You expose, like you expose. So it is very transparent on the lace, and then it is a very natural density, natural hairline, all of that stuff. You don't have to pluck baby hair if you don't want to. It does have the baby hairs out for you if you do want them. And then as far as the cap size goes, it's got 2 comes in the front, 1 in the back. Sorry, y'all, messed up my thing again. There we go. It's got 2 comes in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. And as far as like the fit, it fits like a normal head friendly. I didn't have to adjust anything. I'm not even using the combs right now, mainly because, you know, I got to be glued it down, so there's really no point. But yeah, I didn't have to use any of the adjusting methods on the wig to get it to fit. So it's definitely a wig. I would say it's normal head friendly. If you want to gauge it by something, for my head, I use a 22-inch wig head for myself. So, you know, that's, I think, the normal standard. So if you do that, then you're good. As far as big heads go, I think it'll stretch for you because I'm not stretching it all the way or anything like that. So it should stretch out and give, you know, for larger heads, and then for smaller heads, it does have the adjustable straps, so you can work with it as well. What else? The only qualm, my only thing that's got me vexed with this one is the ends. The ends really do tangle. Like, you have to really, like, this is a little bit of a diva unit in that sense, because the ends, you have to make sure you definitely brush from the bottom and work your way up. Otherwise, you will cause a lot of knots and tangles, and then you'll fray the ends faster than you want to. So you're definitely going to need wig spray, one, to keep it up. And make sure you're definitely combing this one properly, or not even combing, brushing this one properly with your wig brush. And what else? Yeah, that's the major thing with this one, is it does tangle a lot towards the ends. It doesn't necessarily look tangled, but like when you're running your hands through it and stuff, you will know it is tangled. Okay, you will know. And it is like it's a silkier texture. It's not the silkiest synthetic you've ever seen, but it is definitely on the silkier side. And, you know, my ring light is on, for those who've asked questions about that before. My ring light is on, so it probably makes it look a little bit shinier than what it actually is. But if you want to get rid of shine, all you gotta do is use some powder or some cornstarch or something, put a little bit on your hands, put it through the hair, and it will dull the shine so it's not as, you know. But yeah, if you don't like shine, you can do that. I think they even have shine sprays nowadays, but, you know, you can do that too. So yeah, that's the thing on that. What else? Oh, I'm wearing this in the color 1B. I do know, I was speaking with wig types when they emailed me about doing reviews. They are running low on this color. I don't know if it was just for those of us reviewing, or if it's like the ones you can purchase as well. But actually, I'm sorry, colors in general, they're running low. So, you know, if you have a certain color you're looking for, you may want to buy sooner or later if you were looking to buy this one, because they are, you know, going quick. This one's kind of in high demand at the moment. So yeah, just a heads up on that. It is a very natural density, like it says on the package. I would probably give this like a good one. I give it 140. The thing about it is it feels thinner at the top and then feels thicker at the bottom. So it's a good match off. I don't know. But it's a good, match because it lays flat on your head, However, you know, it's still full at the bottom. So you don't have to worry about, you know, it looking like really super thin or looking too super thick up top. So it does, you know, do what it's supposed to do well. I give it that. This is a really pretty unit for, you know, like going out. I wouldn't necessarily make it my work unit with the tangles at the bottom. But you know, you could if you really wanted to. You know, it's just cute, like event look, anything like that, photo shoots, stuff like that. Very high glam type of wig. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it. You can kind of style it like you would a real lace frontal wig or anything like that. It does, you know, move the parts and everything. Like I said, you definitely gonna probably want to do the bald cap method with this one. I don't even usually do the bald cap method, but for this being so transparent, I had to. But yeah, so those are my only things about that. It's just watch the tangling of the ends, and other than that, you should be pretty good to go. It doesn't have any shedding issues that I've seen so far. Even with, you know, me brushing it and manipulating it to fit and stuff like that. Now, I didn't take anything off, like, you know, with the razor, so even with that, no issues going on. If you guys would like to pick this unit up, I will link it down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.